Alright, so we've done some bit of cleaning here, and it's not great, but it's a good wipe down. Initially, just put some engine degreaser on it and let it set for a few minutes. Came down with a nylon brush and just gave it a good scraping. Obviously, I found a little bit of oil that came out of that rear main seal. You can see a bit of a passage that it was flowing from, so that definitely needs replaced. Other than that, sprayed down a little bit of parts cleaner after that. Tried to get some of those crevices that are really hard to reach. It would be fantastic if we could get in there with a pressure washer, but that's just not something I can do right now, not in the temperature and the time of day it is. So we'll end up taking the exhaust out, which has a stripped bolt, so that gives us a little bit of a challenge. But we'll get that exhaust down, the oil pan removed. We'll take that back plate off and the rear main seal, and that'll give us a chance to get all the new seals on the rear main seal. We'll apply sealant on that back plate, put the oil pan gasket on, and reseal the oil pan. It gives us a chance to look inside the motor, and I'll get a shot of that so that we can see what we've got, what kind of condition we're in. Hopefully we don't find anything that we don't like. Other than that, that's a good cleaning. I'm going to get it without any other chemicals or perhaps like pressure washer. I'm not going to go too far out. This isn't something you see, but it is nice to see it in a better condition than what it was. So we'll leave it at that.